Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Mesh. Today we will study about S3 versioning. So let's go ahead and create one new bucket that we will use in S3 versioning. Cloud Mesh bucket 003. All the settings will remain same like earlier version. So we will keep bucket versioning disabled for initially. We will enable it using command. So our bucket is created. So I have pre-written some commands here as this might get quite tricky. So let's first get versioning information. So here hyphen profile S3 user. So we have not received anything because this particular bucket has never been version enabled. So let's version enable our bucket. So for that we will copy this particular command. Profile S3 user. So what this command is doing, it is enabling versioning in this particular bucket. So versioning is enabled. Let's get its status. So now you can see the status of versioning is enabled. So let's go ahead and post and upload some files here. abc.txt. This one is for versioning example. And one more file. So this one second file for versioning example. So we have our three files. Let's quickly upload them. S3 / cloud mesh bucket 003 profile S3 user. So this file is uploaded. Let's upload the second one. This one is also uploaded. So let's see our files here. So we have our two files in our S3. So as we know the versioning is enabled, so let's go ahead and see the version IDs of these files. For that we will use this particular command. So list object versions, bucket name, and this query command to have a neat output of the key and version IDs. So these are the particular version IDs and this is the file key. So let's go ahead and remove one of the file, cloud mesh bucket 003 / abc.txt profile S3 user. So this file is deleted. So what we see now is only def file, but if we look at it as versioning perspective, we will see that this particular delete marker version is already available here. Like it is not completely removed because versioning is enabled in this particular bucket. So what to do if we want to restore our particular file? So here's the command to restore your file. So what it will do, it will run a copy object on this bucket. Copy source will be our key and its particular version ID. So we have to copy this particular version ID here. Copy, then paste, and we will make the name of new key as abc.txt only. So now what it has done, it has created a new object with a new version ID. So if we see our list command, we will see our old file is restored, and we will have one new thing in our version ID command. We will see there will be two version IDs available. One of the version ID of abc.txt is the delete marker one, and second one is this, the newly created. As you can also see this version ID here, because this one is newly created with this particular version ID. For using this delete marker, this particular new object is created with this particular version ID. So that's how you can restore your objects using if S3 versioning is enabled. So you can also look at it on AWS console, like go here directly and you can see our two files here. If we say show versions, then it will show you one delete marker and one version ID restored from this particular delete marker. What I could have done is show you directly inside the S3 console by just clicking some buttons here, but I prefer using S3 command line interface because that's what is going to help you at the end of the day for writing any automation related scripts. Like these commands comes in very handy in implementing any automatic task or automated task related to S3. So that's what all about S3 versioning. I hope we are not forgetting anything. So no. So yeah, thank you.